Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this quick and easy salmon dinner. Let's jump right into this video. Here I have some salmon and my house green seasoning. I actually did the seasoning prior to doing the salmon pulse, and this is what it looks like. Then we are going to add our green seasoning. I'll leave the link to making that. If you don't have that, it is just fine. You can season your salmon the way you like. Use a fork to prevent overworking of the salmon. Then we are going to make some balls here. You can use a scoop just to keep it consistent. And this is what it looks like. Then we are going to sear on each side for 2 minutes. This looks amazing, and this is what it looks like, guys. You can just add a dip right here and just eat these bad boys. All right, so now we're going to saute onion and garlic. And after about 2 minutes, we are going in with our coconut milk. And that is 1 can. I add some of my lemongrass paste, season to your likeness and taste. Add the salmon back after about 5 minutes. This is what it looks like. So I just had some pasta here and dinner was served. Thank you for watching. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.